प्लाज्मा थेरेपी। प्लाज्मा थेरेपी एक टेक्निक है जिसमें रिकवर्ड पेशेंट्स अपना ब्लड डोनेट करते हैं एंड वी यूज दैट ब्लड टू एक्सट्रैक्ट एंटीबॉडीज जो कि इम्यून बूस्टर्स का काम करती हैं टू फाइट इन्फेक्शन इन एन एक्टिव पेशेंट। Convalescent plasma therapy. It aims on using the antibodies from the blood from recovered COVID-19 patients to treat the ongoing patients who are infected with this virus. Convalescent plasma therapy के benefits. It can help people with COVID-19 जो कि कोई और treatment procedures को respond नहीं कर रहे. Also, in case of high-risk COVID-19 patients जैसे कि diabetes, heart disease या फिर weakened immunity, it can prevent them from getting more sick. Also, it can act as a potential preventive measure in high-risk people जैसे कि healthcare workers या फिर family members जो कि COVID-19 patients के contact में आए हैं. How does it work? Once we inject the ready-made antibodies into the infected patient, जिन्हें हम secondary patient बोलते हैं, the antibodies will start targeting and eliminating the virus in that patient. How is it done? जब एक patient infect होता है, उसकी body की natural immune response antibodies produce करती है, which is highly specific to the invading pathogens. Once the patient recovers, ELISA टेस्ट किया जाता है to detect the antibodies in his blood. But before this, he is tested for other infectious diseases like HIV, HPV, hepatitis, etc. Remember, one can donate plasma if he is 1. Free from all these diseases, 2. COVID से ठीक हुए 2 हफ्ते गुजर चुके हो, and 3. He is not taking any medicine currently. Then, this blood is sent for centrifugation जहाँ प्लाज्मा को बाकी फॉर्म्ड एलिमेंट से सेपरेट किया जाता है और प्लाज्मा निकालने के बाद रेस्ट ऑफ द कंपोनेंट्स आर इंजेक्टेड बैक इनटू द डोनर्स बॉडी. Finally, this plasma is injected into the secondary patient where the antibodies enhance the amplification of elimination of this specific virus. There can be some risk associated with the convalescent therapy. Secondary unwanted infections हो सकते हैं. Therapy may fail. हो सकता है primary antibodies secondary patient के antibodies को upscale ना कर सके, which may worsen the infection in the secondary patient. Viruses का nature होता है to mutate at a very high rate. It may happen that initially produced antibodies are not specific to the prior one. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये समझ लें, प्लाज्मा थेरेपी अभी एक्सपेरिमेंटल है, एस्टैब्लिश्ड ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कोविड-19 का. न्यू रिसर्चेस आती जा रही हैं और नए पहलू जुड़ते जा रहे हैं. ह्यूमन ट्रायल्स हैव बीन डन एंड देयर आर इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द इन्फेक्टेड पेशेंट्स, बट नो सिग्निफिकेंट इफेक्ट इज सीन इन केस स्टडीज. Questions are being asked for the optimization where the optimal dose of the antibodies, timeline of the treatment should be induced with the antibodies to increase the chances of recovery for the patients. Tears of a mother cannot save her child, but your plasma can. If you are diagnosed and recovered from COVID-19, voluntarily donate your plasma so that it can be used to save the life of a human being who is competing with this deadly virus. Educate yourself, educate others, spread the awareness, and live and let live.